Hi, this is Miss Cindy, and I'm going to do a really quick video today. This is going to be a gag gift that I actually saw sitting on someone's desk, and I just looked at it. I picked it up and I looked at it, and I think this is how they made it. I thought it was pretty cool because people that went by thought they had actually spilled a cup with some liquid in it, with a drink in it. So I'm going to try this with what I have. I have my cup. I only did one part, which was an ounce of resin. And I have some resin dye. I have a little, this is like a little toy lemon slice. And I got a straw and I got some fake ice cubes. So we're just going to see how this works. So I've mixed my resin. And then I'm going to put in, okay, I hope it comes out. I'm going to put in some dye. Let me get a pen. Sorry about that. I guess I wasn't ready. So I'm going to mix some dye in here. And that was yeah, that looks like lemonade. Okay, what I did was I wiped a little bit of dye off the side. And then I hope the whole thing doesn't pour out because I don't want the whole thing to pour out on the table. Okay, so I'm going to let this try to get hard for a little bit before I pour any more. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do with the rest of it. Okay, so what I did was I split that resin into 2 cups because it looked like it was going to be too much for one. Also, I just want you to know this is sitting on parchment paper so that it won't stick. Hopefully, it'll pull off. So this is just a little experiment I'm doing. I saw it as a gag gift and I thought it was so creative that I said I'm going to go ahead and try it and see if it works. So I'll let you know if it works. We're going to let it dry. Okay, I'm finished with this silly craft, and it worked. This is for 2 people that I know. These are 2 guys, and actually it came out pretty good. That's one, and then the other one, I tried to make a brown last minute, like an iced coffee. I tried to make a brown one for the other one. So that works. That's a cute little gag gift. And then I do have the other lemonade one. And I'm going to have this sitting on the table next time the girls come, if they don't see this video first, and see if it freaks them out. Because, you know, they're real ladylike. They use coasters and napkins and whatnot. And they know Grandma's particular about eating and drinking in the living room. So anyway, we're going to see if this actually tricks them. Anyway, just a short video for a little craft that I saw and I tried. Please subscribe if you get a chance, and have a great day.
She shows dinosaur toys in the outlet.
Oh God, I jumped that over. Get a paper towel, quick. Get a paper towel. You see it?
Yes.
Told me to get to the phone.
Oh, but there's nothing in it, right?
Psych. Now say hi to the camera.